How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our third chapter. Subhashita. Subhashitani. Subhashitani means Subhashita. Subhashita it means well spoken or well said. There are given 6 Subhashitas in this chapter. Look at the first Subhashita. Prithviyam trini ratnani jalmanam subhashitam mude pashan khandeshu ratna sankhya vidhiyate. Prithviyam trini ratnani. Prithviyam it means on this earth. Prithvi it means earth. On this here earth. Trini it means tree. Ratnani. Ratnani it means jewel or gems. A precious stone. Jalmanam. Jalmanam it means jal plus anna. Jalmanna. Jalam plus anna it means jalam anna. Subhashitam. Subhashitam it means subhashita. Mude. Mude it means foolish people. Mude it means by foolish people. Pashan khandeshu. Pashan khandeshu it means in pieces of stones. In pieces of stones. Ratna sangya. Ratna sangya it means given name of a gem. Given name like gem. Vidhyate. Vidhyate it means given or is done. Prithviyam trini ratnani jalam annam subhashitam mude pashan khandeshu ratna sankhya vidhyate. Look at the translation of it. There are 3 jewels on this earth, on the earth. There are 3 jewels on the earth. Which one is this? Water, food and subhashita. Water, food and subhashita. Mude pashan khandeshu ratna sangyam vidhite means foolish people give the name of gems to the pieces of stones. There are 3 jewels on the earth: food, water and subhashita. Foolish people give the name of gems to the pieces of stones. Like we are saying precious thing is precious stone or gems or jewels. But they are saying there are 3 jewels on the earth, that is water, food and subhashita. This is the main thing or most important thing is water, food and subhashita on the earth, not jewels. Foolish people give the name of gems in the of pieces of stones. Clear? Second one. Ayam nijah paroveti ganna laguchet sam. Ayam nijah paroveti ganna laguchet sam udar charitanam tu vasudaiva kutumbakam. Udar charitanam tu vasudaiva kutumbakam. Ayam it means this. Nija it means my or own. Paro it means stranger, some stranger. Veti ganna laguchet sam. Ganna it means such counting in laguchet sam. Laguchet sam it means narrow-minded people. Such a narrow-minded people. Udar charitanam. Udar charitanam it means broad-minded people. Tu vasudaiva kutumbakam. Vasudaiva it means this earth. Only this earth. Kutumbakam. Kutumbakam it means one family. That is a one family. Translation of it. this is my own, and that is a stranger's. Such count is done by the narrow-minded people. For the broad-minded people, the whole earth is like one family. Some says it is mine, that is my own, this is mine, and that is of a strangers. Such counting these people done as narrow-minded people, but for the broad-minded people, the whole earth is like a family, one family. This is my own and that is a stranger's. Such counting is done by the narrow-minded people. For the broad-minded people, the whole world is like a one family. Okay. Third one. Namanti falino vruksha, namanti gunino jana, shuk vrukshas murkhasya, na namanti kadachan. Namanti, namanti means bend down, bend down. Falino vruksha, falino it means fruits, vruksha it means trees. Namanti gunino jana, namanti means bow down, gunino jana it means for virtuous people, jana it means people. Shushka vrukshashva, shushk it means dry, vrukshashva it means trees, dry trees. Murkhashva na namanti kadachan, murkhashva it means foolish people, na namanti they never go down, kadachan it means anytime, kadachan it means anytime. Namanti falino vruksha, namanti gunino jana, shushka vrukshascha murkhascha, na namanti kadachan. It means trees bearing fruits bend down. Trees bearing fruits bend down. Sometimes there are many fruits on that tree, on some trees. They trees bend down because weight of fruit. Trees bearing fruits bend down. Virtuous people bow down. Virtuous people it means wise people bow down. Dry trees and foolish people never bend or bow down at any time. Dry trees. Dry trees it means there are no fruits or no leaves. Dry trees never bend or foolish people never bend or bow down. Dry trees never bend and foolish people never bow down at any time. But the virtuous people and trees bearing fruits, which trees bearing lots of fruit, they bend down and virtuous people always go down. But dry trees and foolish people never bend or go down at any time. Next Subhashitas. Udyama sahasam dhairya buddhiha shaktiha parakrama षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृता. उद्यम साहसम धैर्य बुद्धि शक्ति पराक्रम षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृता. It means udyam it means effort. Sahasam it means courage. Dhairya means patience. Buddhi intelligence. Shakti it means strength, and parakrama it means hard work. There are 6 words with together where these 6 qualities shadete yatra vartante tatra deva sahayakruta. It means where these 6 qualities are there present, there God is helper. Deva it means God. Tatra it means there. Vartante it means present. Sahayakruta it means helper. Udyama sahasam dhairya buddhi shakti parakrama षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृता. It means effort, courage, intelligence, patience, strength and hard work. Where these 6 qualities are there, present there, God is the helper. God always help to that man. They have effort, courage, patience, intelligence, strength and hard work. Where these 6 qualities are present God is the helper. Next one. उद्यमे हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. उद्यमे हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगा. It means उद्यमे हि सिद्ध्यन्ति, jobs are done only with hard work, but not just by thinking about them. It means jobs always done by hard work, not by always thinking about it, just thinking about it. Animals do not enter the mouth of a sleeping lion themselves. It means jobs are done only with hard work. Udyame it means hard work. Siddhyanti it means done. Jobs are done only with hard work. If we do not hard working for some work, that is not done by anyone else. Not just by thinking about them. Not only just by thinking about them, we have to do hard work. Animals do not enter the mouth of a sleeping lion themselves. Animals do not enter the mouth of a sleeping lion themselves. If the lion is sleeping, that no one animal enter themselves in the lion's mouth. Lion have also do his hard work for eating them. So the meaning of this Subhashita is doing hard work for our work completed, not just by thinking about them. Next one. Drashtiputam nyaset padam vastraputam pibe jalam shastraputam vadet vani manaputam samacharet. Drashtiputam nyaset padam vastraputam pibe jalam shastraputam vadet vani manaputam samacharet. It means one should step on the spot made pure by the eyes, one should drink water filtered by cloth, one should speak words purified by scriptures, do the deed purified by mind. It means Drashtiputam nyaset padam. It means one should step on the spot made by pure eyes. We see something with our pure eyes, we can see purity in it. One should drink water filtered by cloth. Who drink water filtered by cloth? One should speak the words purified by scriptures. One should speak word purified by scriptures. It means we do not speak anything words, but speak words purified by scriptures. Do the deed purified by mind. They are purified by mind. One should step on the spot made pure by the eyes. One should drink the water filtered by cloth. One should speak the words purified by scriptures. Do the deed purified by the mind. Okay, students, this is our 6 Subhashitas. Now we will see some exercise. Question number 1. Pronounce the following words correctly. First one, Jalam Manam. Second, Pashan Khandeshu. Third, Ratna Sangya. Then, Shushka Vrukshashva. Shadete Vartante. Siddhyanti. Then, Drashtiputam. Pibe Jalam. Then, Shastraputam. Second question, complete the following verses. Complete the following verses from the textbook. पृथ्व्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमनं सुभाषितं मूढे पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते. Second one, उद्यमः साहसं धैर्यं बुद्धि शक्ति पराक्रम षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते तत्र देव सहायकृतः. Third one, दृष्टिपूतं न्यसेत् पादं वस्त्रपूतं पिबेत् जलं शास्त्रपूतं वदेत् वाणी मनःपूतं समाचरेत्. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First one, fill in the gaps in the following on the basis of shlokas. On the basis of shlokas. First one, namanti dash vriksha. Namanti falino vriksha. Suptasya simhasya mukhe dash na pravishanti. Second one, suptasya simhasya mukhe dash na pravishanti. Answer is mruga. Suptasya simhasya mukhe mruga na pravishanti. Third one, drashtiputam dash padam. Drashtiputam nyaset padam. Fourth one, shastraputam vadet vani. Shastraputam vadet vani. Fifth one, udyamen hi dash karyani. Udyamen hi siddhyanti karyani. Okay. Now, frame the sentences using the word given in the bracket and read them or follow the illustration. There are given some words. First is Vasudhaiva, Rajamev, Gram Eva, Rashtramev. There are given one illustration. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Then there are 3 blanks. We have to fill the 3 blanks from the given words. First one, Rajyameva Kutumbakam, Gram Eva Kutumbakam, Rashtramev Kutumbakam. Question number 5. Frame the sentences using the words in the brackets, follow the illustration, then read orally. There are given some words in the bracket and there are given one illustration. Yatra parishramah tatra safalta. Yatra parishramah tatra safalta. It means where there are hard work, where the hard work, there is success. Yatra dharmah tatra vijayah. Yatra nagishyatu pujyante tatra devata ramante. Yatra krodhah tatra vinashah. Yatra swachhata tatra prabhuta. Yatra sanghah tatra shanti. Sixth one, give the form of the following words according to the illustration. Sihaha, then sihasya. Same as well. Vanarah, vanarasya. Parvatah, parvatasya. Shankarah, shankarasya. Mushakah, mushakasya. Gajah, gajasya. Shukah, shukasya. Putrah, putrasya. Tarakah, tarakasya. Kapotah, kapotasya. Mayurah, mayurasya. Question number 7. Answer the following questions, selecting the most appropriate choice. First question is, Ke kadachan na namanti. Ke kadachan na namanti. The options are Gunino jana kadachan na namanti, Falino vriksha kadachan na namanti, and third one, Murkha kadachan na namanti. Ke kadachan na namanti, who is never bow down. The answer is Murkha kadachan na namanti, means foolish people never bow down. Second question, Ken karyani siddhyanti. Ken karyani siddhyanti. Options are Udyamen karyani siddhyanti, Bhagyen karyani siddhyanti or Manorathe karyani siddhyanti. Ken karyani siddhyanti, it means whose work done. Udyamen karyani siddhyanti, it means who did his hard work, then work is done. कीदृशं जलं पिबेत्? कीदृशं जलं पिबेत्? First option is दृष्टिपूतं जलं पिबेत्, वस्त्रपूतं जलं पिबेत्, मनःपूतं जलं पिबेत्. कीदृशं जलं पिबेत्? It means वस्त्रपूतं जलं पिबेत्. It means who filtered, who purified water with cloth. Question number 8. Give the verb forms of the following verbs. Follow the example. Pa, pib. It means its verb form is pibet. Then char, charet, patha, pathet, vada, vadet, likha, likhet, drashya means pashya, pashya. Question number 9. Give the verb form of the following verbs. Nama, namanti. It is the example. Now we have to follow these words. Khada, khadanti. Pata, patanti. Patha, pathanti. Drashya means pashya, pashyanti. Pa means pib, pibanti. Likh, likhanti. Krida, kridanti. Gama means gacha, gachanti. Dhav, dhavanti. Vad, vadanti. Next one, follow the illustration and change form of the word. Vriksha, vriksha. Then we have to change these words. Mayur, mayuraha. Murkha, murkha. Danta, danta. Purusha, purusha. Dev, deva. Mrug, mruga. Parvat, parvata. Tarka, tarka. Okay. Now there are some more exercise from workbook. For each of the given question, choose the option that is correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First one, पृथ्व्यां कति रत्नानि सन्ति? पृथ्व्यां कति रत्नानि सन्ति? The options are चत्वारि, षट्, सप्त or त्रीणि. How many jewels are there on the earth? Three. They are talking about 3 gems. It means the options are D is correct answer. Second question, लघु चेतसां का गणना अस्ति? लघु चेतसां का गणना अस्ति? एते सर्वे परकीया इति. एते सर्वे परकीया इति. लघु चेतसां means narrow minded people. Option D. Third one, उदार चरिताना का गणना अस्ति? उदार चरिताना का गणना अस्ति? समग्र पृथ्वी एका परिवार इति. Option A is the correct answer. It means whole world is like a one family. Number 4, कीदृशा वृक्षा नमन्ति? कीदृशा वृक्षा नमन्ति. Which type of fruit bend down? फलवन्त वृक्षा नमन्ति. That tree which is full of fruits. कीदृशा जना नमन्ति? कीदृशा जना नमन्ति. Option C is the correct answer. Gunina jana namanti means wise people go down or bend down. Question number 6. Karyani ken siddhyanti? Karyani ken siddhyanti. Udyame means who work hard. Question number 7. Suptasya sinhasya mukhe kena pravashti? सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे के न प्रविशन्ति? C. मृगा means deer or any animal. Question number 8. उद्यम इति शब्दस्य कः अर्थः अस्ति? उद्यमः इट मीन्स foolish, industry, hard work or mischief. उद्यम it means hard work. Option C. Number 9. Dash trees never bend down. Dash trees never bend down. Options: green, juicy, with fruits or dry. Dry trees never bend down. The option is B is correct answer. Next exercise, find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit word from the option and write. Given option. There are Sanskrit words are there and there are given two options. We have to choose one correct option. Pashana. Pashana it means stone. Pashana it means stone. Then Udyama. Udyama it means hard work or direct hard work. Para. Para it means ours or stranger. Stranger. Mudah. Mudah means foolish or peace. Foolish. Mudah it means foolish people. Putama. Putama it means pious or dear. Pious. Then Mruga. Mruga it means own or animal. Animal. Third one. Write the Sanskrit words for the following English words. Write the Sanskrit word of these English words. First is beautiful words. Beautiful words it means Sundar Aksharam. Sundar Aksharam. Of the narrow-minded. Of the narrow-minded it means Lagu Chet Sam. Should put means Nyaset. In pieces means Khandeshu. In pieces it means Khandeshu. Purified by scriptures. Purified by scriptures. It means Shastra Putam. Shastra Putam. Now find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit words from the given option and write. Find out the true synonyms from the given options. First one, Prithvi. Prithvi it means Dhara or Yamini. Dhara. Siha. Siha, savage or Mrugadipa, savage. Buddhi. Buddhi it means Sari or Mati. Mati. Parakrama. Udyama or Vikrama. Vikrama. Then Mana. Mana it means Manya or Cheta. Cheta. Mana it means Cheta. Okay students, this is our third chapter Subhashita and this is our exercises of it. You have to write this exercise in your notebook. Kindly check study material. Thank you.